Right, now this one's not going to apply to everybody, but this one works for me. My mill is a Morse Taper 3 and came with an M12 drawbar. Now, having had a previous mill that was Morse 2 and my lathe tailstock is Morse 2, means I've got a fair bit of Morse 2 tooling. So my boring head has got a Morse Taper 2 on it. My smaller carbide end mill is Morse 2. I've got a small drill chuck, which is Morse 2. ER25 collet set, nice milling cutter, and so on. So there's a fair few Morse 2 bits. So what I did was I bought a sleeve to adapt the 3 down to a 2 and made myself an M10 drawbar for all the Morse 2 tooling. And then additionally I got given a bunch of these sort of cutters. These have got I think it's 5/16 or something, quite a small thread actually. So I've got another slightly more rough and ready one here, which has got the appropriate thread for these as well, which got me out of a hole once. That was made rather quickly, but it did the job. But it means that all the tooling I already had and all the lathe tooling can be used on the mill, and it means I haven't had to buy new bits where I haven't needed to. So that's the tip. Find ways to get the most out of what you've got. Thanks for watching.